Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your YouTube channel. And for this, go right in the top and then go to YouTube Studio. Then from here we go to Settings, Channel, Advanced Settings, scroll down and click on Manage YouTube Account. Then right here we click on View Advanced Settings. And then right here is the option to click on Delete Channel. Then right now you can choose if you want to hide your channel for just 30 days or if you want to permanently delete my content. Now let's say we want that. He will exactly tell you what you will delete on your channel. So you will delete exactly this. Then you click on that. Then you click also on this one. And right now if we click on Delete My Account, we need to type in my email address and then click on Delete Account, and then you deleted your account. This is exactly how you can delete your account on YouTube, and hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao!